Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can undo edits and changes in the Shotcut video editor. So let us get started. So access your video project on Shotcut. Let me go with this video project here, and just for the sake of this tutorial, let me add and change or edit to this video clip here. Let me split it at play at and move that second part of that video clip here. So that's the change. So if you'd like to undo that, guys, simply use that button here in the top left, undo. That is going to undo the most recent edit. And if you click into undo again, it will also undo the second recent or second most recent edit, and that way going back in time, undoing all your recent or past edits. You can of course undo the undoing by clicking into redo, and that is going to add the given edit back again. And you can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Z for undoing, guys, by simply pressing Ctrl-Z, and that is going to undo your changes as well, as you can see, so that you don't have to use these arrows here in the top left. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.